and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley Sheree. Stop what you're doing right now, hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And if you're returning, welcome back. Let's start this journey together. Okay guys, first things first, I'm going to show you the purple box that the wig comes in. It says LuvMe Hair Affordable Luxury Wig. Inside the box, there's a purple accessory bag along with some instructions. The instructions are basically the return and refund policy, along with how to care for the wig. Inside of the accessory bag, there's a purple edge scarf that says LuvMe Hair Affordable Luxury Wig, along with a tan wig cap that's one size fits all, some black bobby pins, an extra elastic band, a super cute hairpin that says Love Me, an edge brush that has a comb on one end and also a brush on the other end, some hair tweezers, also 5 super cute headbands, the products that I use to achieve this look with the headband wig is going to be the Wet Line Extreme Gel from Target. It's about $2.99, along with the regular hairbrush, the edge brush, also the edge scarf, a cotton hair tie that I got off of Amazon in a pack of 100, my wig cap, a spray bottle to wet the hair also that I got from Amazon. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the actual wig. It's in the texture Deep Wave. It's an 18-inch wig. The original price of the wig was $169, but I had a discount code for $37, so it ended up being $132 after shipping and taxes. So the wig comes with 4 combs, one on each side, the top and the bottom. Also, this is the elastic band that you can attach to the back of your head on the wig. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is take my gel and apply it to my hair to get rid of any flyaways. This also helps to blend in the texture of the wig and your actual hair. Next, I take my regular brush and go ahead and smooth it out. Then I go ahead and take my edge brush and dip it in the gel and begin styling my edges. With your edges, you want to make sure you're using both hands, one to hold the hair in place and the other to brush the hair in the direction that you want your edges to go. And you're going to repeat these steps until you have your edges the way that you like them. Once my edges are the way that I want them, I'll go ahead and take my hair tie and lay my edges down. You don't have to do this step. I'm just extra and I like my edges to be very much laid. I tie them down for about 5 to 10 minutes and I go find something to do. Once I feel that my edges are laid the way that I want them, I'll go ahead and take my scarf off. This is me showing you that my edges are laid, honey, yes. Next, I go ahead and apply my wig cap. I usually have a rubber band on my braids, but for this video I didn't, so I just went ahead and tucked them under the cap. So with the cap, you want to go ahead and make sure you have it pushed back enough so that way when you apply the wig, you won't see the cap. So with this step, it's also something that I just like to do is go ahead and apply my headband first because it's a little bit easier to already have it on your neck and you can slide it up easily when applying your wig. Now it's time to go ahead and apply the wig. I'm going to be using the top and bottom comb along with the elastic band that goes around your head. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the top comb and apply it as close as I can to the wig cap and make sure that it's secure. And then I'm going to take the elastic band and go ahead and secure it to the back. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take that bottom pin and pin my hair at the back. Then I go ahead and push back the headband that's attached to the wig, just so it won't show when I put my other headband on. So I'm not done yet. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply that headband that was sitting on my neck. I'm just going to push it on and into place where I want it to be. I also went in with the spray bottle and just kind of wet the hair a little bit more to my liking. This is just what the wig looks like from the back. This is me showing you that the wig is pretty secure. It's not going to just fall off easily. But that doesn't mean to go ahead and get into a little tussle with someone, because it will come off. It is not your hair. Now I'm just going to show you some more easy styles that you can do with this wig. I'm going to take my cotton hair tie and go ahead and do a half up, half down. So all I do is take the hair tie and divide the hair, pull some up and leave some down. And just like that, super easy, super cute, not time consuming. Also with the half up, half down, you can do a simple bun at the top and also leave some hair down. Now I'm just showing you that even if you put your hair up in a ponytail or in a half up, half down, it's not going to tangle easy. I'm running my fingers through, no tangles at all. For the next style, I'm going to be taking my hair tie, moving all my hair to the top, because I'm going to be doing a really high ponytail. I like my ponytails really high, so I had to bring all the hair to the front. This is really simple, really easy. 9 times out of 10, I'm always wearing my hair in either this high ponytail or the next style that I'm going to show you, which is going to be the high bun. Like I said, whenever I wear this wig, this and the high bun is always my go-to style. So for the high bun, I just repeat the same steps as the high ponytail, which is bringing the hair all the way to the front to achieve the high bun look. When doing the high ponytail and bun, you may have to go in like I did to adjust the headband just to make sure that nothing's showing. And that's it, guys. Super cute and easy. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on my Instagram at Ashley Sheree, or on my Snapchat a.ashley with 3 Y's, aye.ashleyy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video.